Okay, so let's look at the backside of this gateway quiz. We have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and what you need to remember for a 30, 60, 90 triangle is going to be very important to you very shortly. For 30, 60, 90, the ratio of the sides is 1 to 2 to square root of 3. So in this 30, 60, 90, the shorter leg is 8. So what I know is that u is going to be 16, twice the shorter leg, and v is going to be 8 times the square root of 3. For question 7, we're looking to solve a system of equations, and what you need to notice is that the coefficient of c in every case is 1. So I'm going to try to get a system of 2 equations with 2 unknowns by getting rid of the c. And I'm going to combine the first 2 equations. I'm going to do, I guess I'll do the middle minus the top. So that's going to give me 2a, negative 2b minus b is minus 3b. c minus c is 0, negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. I'm going to do the same thing with the 2 bottom equations. So I'm going to do bottom minus top. So 5 minus 3 is again 2a. 3b minus negative 2b is plus 5b. c minus c is 0. 10 minus negative 2 is 12. And now I am going to do bottom minus top. I have a's that I can eliminate. So I'm going to combine these. 2a minus a is 0a. 5b minus negative 3b is 8b. 12 minus negative 4 is 16. So now I know that b is going to be equal to 2. Very quickly, I'm going to go back to this and solve for a. So I'll say 2a plus 5 times 2 is 12, which gives me 2a plus 10 is 12, which gives me 2a is 2, which gives me a is 1. And now I'm just going to go back to one of the original equations. So I'm going to say that 1 plus 2 plus c is 2, which gives me 3 plus c is 2, so c is negative 1. And for this expansion, x plus y to the third, at this point there are ways we're going to talk about doing this. I'm going to think of this as x plus y times x plus y times x plus y. Foiling this out gives me x plus y times, this is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And when I FOIL out the x and the y and do the distributing, I end up with x to the third plus 3 x squared y plus 3x y squared plus y to the third. And it's a kind of a long, tedious process. Factoring this, on the other hand, is different. You just need to know the formula. This factors into x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. Notice it kind of looks like what you have up here, but it's not. We lack the 2xy for this middle term. And finally, for number 10, if I'm trying to factor this, I know 5 is a prime number, so this needs to factor into 5x times x. I know the signs are going to be mixed because I need to somehow get a negative 6. For negative 6, I'm going to think of 3 and 2, and I like the fact, knowing that the signs are mixed, if I put the 3 in this spot already, that's going to give me a 15, and I'll just take away that 2. So that's how I factor that last question.